Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by cutting power and confirming 0V with a tester so you work safely. Once done, remove the fixture cover and any diffuser to expose the lamp or module. You should identify whether you have a replaceable bulb, an LED module, or an integrated board, since that determines parts and technique. Make sure to keep screws and small parts organized and wear gloves for grip and to avoid oils on LEDs. Now loosen fasteners and access the LED assembly to begin removal. Once you have access, document wiring and connector orientation with a photo so reconnecting is foolproof. Then disconnect the LED from the driver or mains wiring. Next, detach the old LED module, unscrew or desolder pins depending on construction, and inspect the driver for signs of failure. You should match the replacement LED's voltage and current ratings to the existing driver or plan to replace the driver. When installing the new module, ensure good thermal contact with the heatsink and secure all You finish by reassembling the fixture, replacing covers and screws, and restoring power to test the LED. Do this while standing clear and ready to cut power if something is wrong. Observe startup brightness, color, and any flicker, and measure output voltage from the driver to confirm it matches the LED specs. If the light fails, first check polarity and connectors, then swap in a known good driver or bulb. If overheating occurs, improve heat sinking or reevaluate compatibility to prevent early failure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.